Bankei, the Zen monk Bankei's talk is very interesting. He talked to people, and when he's having a conversation, if there's a bird singing, you know that's bird without you thinking about it. And he's pointing what's going on at the time in your brain. My understanding may be like without using our mind, we know what that is, the voice is, the bird. Intuitive understanding, direct understanding. No busy mind functioning. So what's the busy mind functioning? What does that do? It's just an image floating around. But the real